Most beginner eyes look wrong. They look flat, dead, or just weird. But it's not because you can't draw. Maybe you just don't understand what an eye actually is. An eye is not a football shape. Like, bro, this is a symbol, not an eye. An eye sits on a sphere. Everything wraps around this ball. And if you don't think 3D, your drawings will always look flat. Now look at the upper lid. This is flat. Now this has a structure. I love adding a dark lashes to add depth. Shadow under the upper lid, instant realism. Now let's do the iris. But here's a common mistake beginners always do. Remember, the iris never floats. Well, it touches the top lid and sometimes the bottom too. White space on both sides. Bro, that's fear. Don't be scared. Just commit. All of this applies digitally too. But digital exposes your mistakes faster. This is the Digidraw Turing 14 pen display tablet. 14-inch full pen display, which means you draw exactly where your hand touches. No guessing, no disconnect. It also comes with a proper pen case with extra pen refills inside. Small detail but important. The pressure sensitivity is extremely responsive. Light strokes for structure, more pressure per bold line weight. This is where digital becomes powerful. Detail work like eyelashes become easier because the pen tracks naturally. Your lines follow your hand, not a cursor. The screen size is perfect. Trust me, it's not too small, not overwhelming. You can see your full composition while still working on details. And the biggest advantage, you can literally experiment without fear. Undo is your best friend. Now, structure first, thickness second, iris placement third. Tools don't replace fundamentals, but the right tool makes practice better.